Hey y'all, it's another beautiful day in Maine. Let's go make some breakfast. Who's ready for an adventure today? Nita is ready for an adventure because she's bringing her tennis shoes. You never know what we're gonna run into. Who's ready for an adventure today? Take 2. Had to change my shirt because I stepped outside and it was feeling like Oklahoma.
I
wanted to wear a sweater today and it is feeling like Oklahoma out here. Ugh. I'm already sweating. What do you call these, your vacation shirts? Because why?
Don't ask me to do anything, sir.
Oh, don't ask me to do anything. It looks like you want to go drink martinis, have money bags flying, roll some dice.
Or it looks like they're on sale and my size is pretty limited on color choice.
Okay. So that's the discount bin.
Yep. I just look up what do you have on sale in a medium husky and click on whatever's there.
Yeah, you're trying to stand out. Bart doesn't want anybody to find him.
Yep. Organic food, book and toy.
Check. He does look like he's choking. Is that a sleeve?
It's a sleeve. It'll fit over any can. We have a sleeve.
This is a sleeve that you put over a can. And I'm gonna make Greg think I'm hot breast milk. I did find, here, get a drink of this.
Haven't had that in a long time. Want some?
No way. So we found an escape room we're going to. Here we are.
We drove 50 miles.
We drove 50 miles. This better be a good crack the code.
And they said it was the funnest thing they've done in so long.
Are y'all ready for a fun-filled, how many reviews were there? 5? Fun-packed
We're on a mission.
escape code adventure.
Oh, these people are on a mission to visit an escape room in all 50 states. Maine was on our 24th state to check off our escape room list, and we decided to try crack the code. It was awesome. We've got to do the library.
50 states in escape room.
Yeah, they're on their 24th.
Father even let me participate.
Cardboard on the window. Looks a little sketchy, but you know, I'm up for an adventure.
Who does enjoy an escape room in the middle of an
Out,
industrial park?
out in the middle of nowhere. We were last seen at the convenience store just 2 miles down the road. It's called Freshies. I'm sure there's video footage of us eating a sub sandwich. We are all riding in silence because the escape room kicked our butts. But our brain shut down because we found out that Dolly died while we were in the escape room. So we were in mourning. So it's a sad day. This is our backyard and we are back home. I'm gonna walk down to the water. Let's see how cold the water is. We're gonna cook dinner here tonight, and in the morning we're getting up early, going to have breakfast, and we're going on a fishing trip tomorrow. And then Anita and I are going for an e-bike ride. Babe, if the tide comes up, I'll come and save you. Only if the water's not too cold. It's getting chilly out here. I might have to go get my lobster sweater. My lobster sweater.
What's up?
Look at the sunset. I've been saving this sweater for a year. It's finally cold enough to wear it today.
I need a lobster sweater.
I told you to go get one. They were on sale at Sam's. I feel like a Kennedy sitting out here.
Yes.
Do
Now
you?
we know how they felt.
Do you feel like a Kennedy?
I do. I do.
I do too.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it.
So we're in the backyard.
Popping up and down out of the water right there.
Bart is actually sitting in another town.
Yeah.
That marker is another town.
I'm in Ellsworth, y'all are in Trenton.
We can't hear you. I'm a town away.
Online.
I wonder what that is.
You're in Ellsworth.
Yep.
We are in Trenton. Way to set the mood.
That's what I did.
A good day in Maine today.